Palmyra is an ancient Semitic city in present-day Homs Governorate, Syria. Archaeological finds date back to the Neolithic period, and documents first mention the city in the early 2nd millennium BC. Palmyra changed hands on a number of occasions between different empires before becoming a subject of the Roman Empire in the 1st century AD. The city grew wealthy from trade caravans. The Palmyrines became renowned as merchants who established colonies along the Silk Road and operated throughout the Roman Empire. Palmyra's wealth enabled the construction of monumental projects such as the Great Colonnade, the Temple of Bel, and the distinctive tower tombs. Ethnically, the Palmyrines combined elements of Amorites, Arameans, and Arabs. The city's social structure was tribal, and its inhabitants spoke Palmyrene while using Greek for commercial and diplomatic purposes. Greco-Roman culture influenced the culture of Palmyra, which produced distinctive art and architecture that combined Eastern and Western traditions. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.